Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you our 2019 Volkswagen Jetta Comfortline that we have here in the lot. This vehicle is finished in a beautiful gray exterior with a beautiful black / charcoal interior. You'll notice in the middle there that this vehicle is a stick shift. Plenty of space for the passenger. The seat does slide forward, backrest is adjustable as well. Rear seat passengers are given the same amount of space as well. Leg space is great. Head space is also good. Here's a quick view of the front. Coming around now to the cargo capacity of this vehicle. Cargo capacity is humongous. You should be able to fit golf bags straight if you have them. You could fold the seats down into a 60-40 split, opening up the cargo capacity into the cabin. Now, coming around to the driver's section here, you'll notice all of your window switches, door switches when you enter the cabin area. Steering wheel wise, you have the standard Volkswagen setup. Cruise control on the left with volume control. On the right side, you got your dashboard setup and menu buttons. On the dash here, you'll notice this vehicle is at 57,709 kilometers. This vehicle has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You got heated seats, climate control, air conditioning. This is a manual transmission, so you do have a 6-speed here. And you have an electronic parking brake. Show you a quick image here of the backup camera. There you go. Very easy to use manual as well, perfect to learn on. And you have your USB for that Android Auto connectivity. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just want to introduce to you what I believe might be the perfect first manual car for a lot of people here in the city. Please feel free to reach out to us here at Valley Volkswagen, or one of our sales reps and consultants will be able to help you. Take care.